Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and purchase Royal Palace of Madrid tickets online. If you want to go ahead and skip all the annoying queues and long lines, you can go ahead and purchase the tickets using the first link you're going to see right here down in the description of this video. Go ahead and open up that link. It's going to take you to this page from where we can get started taking a look at the tour. So basically you're going to see all the available dates right here where you can go ahead and select the date which suits you the most. Let's say I want to go for Monday the 10th. I'm going to select the date and it's going to show me the available options right here. So I'm going to go ahead and select whatever is available, and then we can go ahead and click the check availability option. So once you click check availability, we can select the date and the time slot which suits us, and then we can select what kind of tickets we want. Let's say this we only need one adult ticket. We're going to go to the next page. You can just skip this if you don't want any additional experiences, and it's going to take you to this personal details page where you can get started filling out your personal details such as your first name, last name, phone number, and so on, which you need to go ahead and fill out to be able to purchase the tickets, and then click next to go to the payment page. In the payment page, it's going to open up this new menu where we can go and take a look at all the payment options available to us, such as Apple Pay, debit and credit card, PayPal, and so on. So let's go and select which one suits us the most. Let's say debit and credit card, and it's going to open up this menu from where we can get started filling out our info. And once you purchase the tickets and click the pay button, you are going to receive your tickets on your email address that you have used for registering your account on this platform. So there you have it. Go into the description of this video, find the first link and open it up to go to the ticket purchasing place and get started for itself. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. Take care and bye.